Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer made it official today, announcing his plan to retire from the bench. Tonight, President Biden is reaffirming his promise to nominate a black woman to the nation's highest court. NBC 15's Ashley Knight brings us the unique perspective of one of Alabama's most distinguished judges.
We really are taking baby steps.
Retired federal magistrate Judge Vanzetta McPherson.
It is long overdue. African-American women have been very significant contributors to this society. They have been very significant contributors to the field of law.
Judge McPherson contributed mightily, rising to the highest level of any black woman jurist in our state. She believes whomever President Biden taps won't change the ideological makeup of the court, but will change the way her fellow justices see the world.
Every time a culturally or ethnically new person assumes a significant position, that person brings his or her perspectives, which ideally and hopefully inform the perspectives of the other people to bring about a more just outcome.
And how does she feel about the possibility of the first black woman on the nation's highest court?
I'm one who does not immerse myself in firsts. Firsts to me, especially when used in the case of African American, that term doesn't mean much, because first means that society is centuries late in making some decisions. Being the first in 2022 is more of an indictment of society than it is an honor to the person.
But seeing a younger black woman on the Supreme Court would give Judge McPherson enormous generational pride.
Because one of the issues that's very important to African Americans my age is that we have done everything that we can to clear a path for others to walk along, and they have successfully walked that path toward an end that we in our middle age could not have achieved.
A moment in history that appears to be drawing near. Ashley Knight, NBC 15 News.